Welcome everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of time, distance, and speed. Buckle up as we explore how these concepts are interconnected and essential in our daily lives. Understanding time, distance, and speed. Let's start with the basics. Time is what we measure in seconds, minutes, hours, and more. Distance is how far something moves, or the length between 2 points. And speed? It's how fast an object travels in a given amount of time. Formulas and relationships. Now let's crack the code. The formula that ties these together is speed is equal to distance divided by time. Remember, speed tells us how quickly something moves, distance is the space covered, and time is the duration of the journey. As we know, speed is equal to distance divided by time. Similarly, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, and time is equal to distance divided by speed. Let's tackle a few problems together to grasp these concepts better. Question 1. If a car travels 120 miles in 2 hours, what is its speed? Solution. Using our formula, speed is equal to distance divided by time. So, speed is equal to 120 miles divided by 2 hours. The answer is 60 miles per hour. Question 2. Sarah walks at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. How long will she take to walk 15 kilometers? Solution. Given speed is 5 kilometers per hour and distance is 15 kilometers. Using the formula, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Thus, time is equal to 15 kilometers divided by 5 kilometers per hour. Any guess? Pause the video, calculate, and comment below. Yes, the answer is 3 hours. Question 3. A cyclist covers a distance of 36 miles in 3 hours. What was the cyclist's speed? Solution. Given distance is equal to 36 miles and time is equal to 3 hours. Applying the formula speed is equal to distance divided by time. Hence, speed is equal to 36 miles divided by 3 hours is equal to, any guess? Yes, it's 12 miles per hour. Now let's see examples for calculating distance. Question 4. If a car travels at a speed of 50 miles per hour for 3 hours, what distance does it cover? Solution. Given speed is equal to 50 miles per hour and time is equal to 3 hours. Using the formula distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Distance is equal to 50 miles per hour multiplied by 3 hours equals to 150 miles. Now let's see an example for calculating time. Question 5. If you walk a distance of 12 kilometers at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour, how long does it take? Solution. Given distance is equal to 12 kilometers and speed is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Using the formula, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Time is equal to 12 kilometers divided by 4 kilometers per hour, which is equal to 3 hours. How many of you got that right? Comment your name below. Now let's see an example for using time to find distance. Question. A train travels for 2.5 hours at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. What distance does it cover? Solution. Given time is 2.5 hours and speed is 80 kilometers per hour. Using the formula, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Distance is equal to 80 kilometers per hour multiplied by 2.5 hours is equal to 200 kilometers. These examples illustrate how to use the formulas to calculate distance and time based on the given speed and duration of travel. And that's a wrap on our journey through time, distance, and speed. Remember, these concepts are all around us, whether we're walking, driving, or even playing. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at calculating speed, distance, and time. If you liked the video, like and share the video with your friends. And if you are new on our channel, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.